Hi Stallions! Today you're going to be doing Lesson 24 Problem Set from Module 4. I want you to remember in today's lesson that the in all number is going to be going first. When you do subtraction, you need to always put the in all number first. So if you notice how many polka dots there are right here, there are 8 polka dots. So that's why the number 8 is right here. Okay, so if you're going to come down here to fill this one in, you need to use the in all number. So if you look over here at the number bond, it already tells you the in all number. So you're going to put the number 8 right there. All right, so let's go up to the top. So it says, put an X on 3 dots. So what you're going to do is put an X on 3 dots right here, okay? So you're going to have 8, take away, how many? How many did you just cross off? 3. So 8 take away 3. Now I want you to look back up at the dots and decide how many dots are still left. So you had 8, you crossed off 3, how many are left? Put that number right there. Now you're going to come over here and finish the number bond. So you have 8. How did you make 8 today? You had a group of 5 and a group of 3. So you should have 5 and 3. 8 take away 3 equals 5. Okay, now these next ones I want you to do on your own using the 5 group strategy. Put an X on 5 dots. So come over here, put an X on 5 dots. Good job, Stallion. Now I want you to fill in this number sentence. In this box is going to go the in all number. How many dots in all? That's right, there were 8. Now 8 take away, you had to take away 5. So what number is going to go here? 8 take away 5 equals how many are left? Put your number there. I'm not going to tell you this time. You got to figure it out. Please come over here now and fill in your number bond. So what 2 numbers did you use to make 8? Okay, come on down here. This is going to be a bit of a challenge, because it doesn't actually tell you the number this time. This time it says, put an X on some dots. You get to decide how many dots you want to cross off. That's why it says some dots. So you pick. Maybe you'll cross 1 off, maybe 2, maybe 5. I don't know. You pick. So put an X on some dots. I'll wait while you pick how many you want to cross off. Okay, now that you're done crossing them off, it's time to fill in your number sentence. How many did you have in all? How many did you cross off? How many did you choose? How many are left? So your in all number was 8. How many did you cross off? That's going to go here. And how many did you have left? That number is going to go there. If you're confused, I want you to rewind this video and start all the way over at the top and do it one more time. If you're still struggling, I want you to sign up for a small group mini lesson with your teacher. We're going to go on to the second page. Boys and girls, these are going to be challenge problems, so I want you to give it a try. If you're frustrated, please stop. Draw 8 dots. I'll wait while you draw 8 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You should have 8 dots. If I've gone too fast, pause your video and continue drawing your 8 dots. Put an X on 1 dot. Please fill in your number sentence. How many in all? How many did you cross off? And how many are left? That's just a reminder that this is a challenge. Please fill in the number bond. Now we're going to go on to the next challenge question. This challenge question says, draw 8 dots, but this time you need to draw them in a 5 group. Put an X on 7 dots. Please fill in the number sentence. Your in all, minus how many you crossed off, and how many you have left. Here's your in all number 8, and what were your 2 partner numbers that made 8? The last challenge problem for today is draw 8 dots in a 5 group. Put an X on some dots. Now that means it's your choice how many you want to cross off. You're going to write your number sentence now. How many in all? How many did you cross off? And how many do you have left? Then don't forget to come over here and fill in your number bond. Remember, if this is too challenging for you, that's okay. You can sign up for a small group mini lesson. Have fun!